Let's just all agree to ignore how tired I look today. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing, reviewing, and giving you the approximate value of the products in my Sephora Play Box for the month of August. Yes, it's already September. Yes, I'm super late. You can thank grad school and my lack of sleep. The bag for this month is kind of beauty themed. It says back to beauty school, and it's got like brushes and then like pencils and a ruler, but it's ugly and I hate it and it's going in the trash. As always, every Sephora Play Box comes with a little card for 50 extra beauty insider points when you purchase something in the month, and then this handy dandy little pamphlet, probably my favorite part of the Play Box just because the graphic design is literally always amazing. But it also tells you everything that is in your Sephora Play Box for the month, why they picked it, and how to use it. For samples this month, I did not get perfume, which always makes me happy. Instead, I got the OY hair care shampoo and conditioner. I have not used these, and I probably will not use these. If you remember me talking about this in my why I canceled the Birchbox video, you don't want to put hair care products in your hair that have alcohol within the first couple of ingredients, because that means there is a very high alcohol content and alcohol dries out your hair. Unfortunately, in both of these there is, well, definitely in the conditioner at least, there are two different types of alcohol within the first 3 ingredients. So probably not something that I'm going to be putting in my hair. I'm assuming the reason for that is because these are volumizing shampoos, and if you take some of the moisture out of the hair, it'll make it drier and then it'll volumize more. And I just don't want to do that to me or my hair. So that was a long explanation of why I have not used this and why I probably won't. Sorry if you were not interested in that, but this was a sample. Moving on to actual products, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I actually already own this. I really do like it. I don't use this as much anymore because I've kind of moved on to the Benefit Gimme Brow Train. That's like my all-time favorite brow product. Completely just love it. If you haven't tried it, you should definitely try it. They also expanded the shade range, so it's really good. But I do like the Clear Brow Gel. It is kind of nice when I'm not looking for a very volumized look. I just want them to look nice and not everywhere. This is also really good for those of you that like to fill in your brows, which I don't do as much anymore. I usually just use the Gimme Brow, but if you like to fill in your brows and then you're like, wow, I need something to go over that, definitely try this out. It's really great, lasts for a very long time. It doesn't peel off, which I had an issue with that with a different clear brow gel. I think it was the Ulta Clear Brow Gel. Literally started to peel off and look like my eyebrow was flaking off like bits of glue. Yeah, super weird. Anyways, this is a really good product. I like it. Long story short, we'll probably still use it, but don't really use it as much anymore. The end. Just kidding, not the end, because this is worth about $6.50. I am like 80% sure this is the second one of these I've gotten in a Sephora Play Box, which definitely makes me sad because I cannot use it. This is the Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. This has chestnut in it. I am super allergic to chestnut, so will not be putting this anywhere near my face and or body. However, I did include this approximate value in the total approximate value for the Play Box, so that is $8.40. I also got this Living Proof TBD Multitasking Styler. You may also know that I'm not a huge fan of hair care, mostly just because I do not care for my hair. That's a lie. But I really don't put anything in it. I don't straighten it. I don't blow dry it. I don't style it. I just wash it and then brush it. So styling creams really are not what I'm looking for, and I never use them. So this is something that will also go to somebody that will use it. But I did include this approximate value in the approximate value of the entire box, so this is worth about $5.20. I also got this super mini Hula Bronzer by Benefit, super cute, haven't opened it, and will not use this for a while because I still actually have a mini Hula Bronzer that I'm still working through. This is surprisingly only like 0.4 grams less than the boxed mini, so take that as you will. My only problem with this, and it has nothing to do with the product itself because I love the Benefit Hoola bronzer, but mostly just like, why? I mean, everybody on the face of the earth has tried the Benefit Hoola bronzer by now, and if you haven't, like, where have you been? You've been living under a rock. This thing has been out forever. Everybody loves this. So it just kind of feels like weird and cheap and like, I don't know, I wasn't just like a huge fan of getting it in my Sephora Play box because I think of it as something where I get to try new products that are coming out or try products that are usually out of my price range in a smaller size. So getting something that I've already used and I know literally probably everybody that gets a Sephora Play box has used as well just kind of feels weird and cheap. Especially following a month where Sephora gave us a birthday gift from last year, it just kind of feels like a weird, cheap cop-out, and I'm just not a huge fan of that. And then last but not least, I got this super cute little mini version of the Makeup Forever Artist Rouge lipstick in the shade C211. This is called Rosewood, and it is a dusty rose color. It's very pretty. I love shades like this on me. I love the formula of this lipstick. It lasts for a very long time, and I love Makeup Forever, so this was definitely a win in this month's play box, and it was kind of the only one, actually, which was really disappointing. And the approximate retail value of this little lipstick is about $8.80. So that is everything that I got in my Sephora Play box for the month of August. If you were not keeping score, that brings the total up to about $39.60. Granted, this was kind of a bummer month for me. I couldn't use 2 of the products. The sample is something that you really should not be putting in your hair. You got a Hoola bronzer, which literally everybody already owns, and then you got 2 other products, the clear brow gel and the Makeup Forever lipstick. So those 2 are kind of okay, but like everything else just was meh. I don't want to say I'm considering canceling my Sephora Play box, but I'm thinking about it just because I feel like the last couple of months really haven't been worth it. I feel like the quality has definitely dropped. I feel like they're repeating things that they've already given to us in past boxes and through gifts and through the like rewards bazaar. So I just kind of feel like they're copping out and I don't know why, and it's kind of frustrating. So I'm kind of thinking about it just because of that, and then also now I'm a poor grad student, so if you want to send like money my way, that would be like amazing. I'm kidding, but really, it's kind of just an expense that I don't feel like I am getting my money's worth out of anymore. Even again, this is a almost $40 worth of product box, and it's just, I don't know, I can't use most of the products. So I just, again, don't feel like I'm getting my money's worth, and it's not really worth it for me to spend money on stuff that I'm not getting my money's worth out of when I'm already a poor grad student. So that's kind of where I'm at with the Sephora Play box currently. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Ilea. I would love to have you there. And thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.